Hey there, welcome to RAKSHITHA'S kitchen. Today, let's prepare an interesting snack recipe that is paneer cheese onion ring. In a mixing bowl, add the grated paneer, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, jeera powder, garam masala, Amchur powder, black salt, Kasuri Methi, salt to taste, and fresh coriander, and mix well and keep it aside. Now cut the onion into big roundels as shown. Now separate the onion rings. Now make the patties out of the paneer mixture and place it inside the onion ring and seal it properly as shown. Then add the mozzarella cheese as required. Then again top up with the paneer filling and press it and keep it aside. Now to prepare the slurry, take Maida, add required amount of water and mix well to make a smooth slurry. Coat a dry maida first and then dip it in the slurry and coat it with the breadcrumbs. Then again recoat it with the slurry and with the breadcrumbs. Repeat the process for the remaining rings. Heat the oil for frying. Fry the onions until they are crisp and golden brown. Serve it hot with ketchup. Happy cooking until next time.